we're going to do a right 4 kaholos diagonal. But here's the trick. Don't go here and here and here and here. So you're backing up in place. Just do it your own little spot. So you're going to go right 2, 3, 4, left 2, 3, 4. Right 2, 3, 4, left 2, 3, 4. Okay? You're going to come down from high to low. You're going to make a mist. So you're going to go down 2, 3, take your arms front. Down 2, take your arms front. Down 2, 3, 4. Down 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. Right, left, right, left. 5, 6, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to make a full right kaholo turn. Kaholo, 2, 3, left kaholo, and a figure 8. Boom, boom. Okay, that much again, and then I'll check the hands. I haven't done this yet, so here we go. 5, 6, 7, and back, and back, and back, and back. Turn right, and right, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, 3, and a figure 8. Okay. No, you're right. It's going to be right, left, left. You're here, so you're going to make a holo turn from this position. Okay, you're going to turn to the right, and you are going to do your left's your ear and you open. Turn 2, 3, 4. Here we are here. We're going to kaholo to the left. Let's see what happens. This one's going to go here and forward. So we went. Turn 2, 3. We'll leave this hand and open it up. There you go. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and turn 2, 3, 4. Huli and open. Stay there. Let's see our figure 8. In our own U, it's going to stay there. Let's add it on. Make sure that's to your ear because I tend to go eye. That's ear, okay?
On this island I found a way
Easy.
to see the beauty of passing day. Flowers that impel my love, moments that unholy love.
Sit back and wait.
Loving